Today's detail is a 5288 Bayliner full top-down exterior wash and polish. Not done? Done. Here Jeremy is using our orbital polisher with a foam pad, McGuire's Flagship Premium mixed with a little bit of diamond cut compound. Alright, 58-foot Bayliner, Island Mist. The pre-detail walk around. So scuffies here, nothing big. Bit of oxidation, black streaking going on up there. Not too bad though, we do this boat every year, so this is its annual. We got a little bit of rust in as usual, so I want to spray some hull cleaner on that, which is an acid. Overall, this boat's not in bad shape, but it was definitely ready for its annual detail. Basically in our area, about once a year is what we typically do boats. Some boats are worse. And just some light oxidation, light to moderate, let's say. You can see up on the brow, it's a little bit patchy and hazy. Still got a shine, but that has definitely got some light to moderate oxidation. Everything oxidizes. This detail took 6 days of labor, so 2 people, 3 full days. Started with a top-down wash, and then orbital and rotary polished topside down to the waterline. The port side of this hull, you can see Jeremy's getting pretty stretched out and barely being able to reach over there. We ended up using this customer's tender or dinghy to get to the front of the hull, and we were able to reach it really well then. Thanks for watching SeattleBoatDetailing.com.